If you have freedom to think, freedom to talk, freedom to explore, I think you are the happiest woman in the world. Wishing all the women happy Women's Day. I think because of give opportunity to all the women to do all those things. So the pillars of because of women employees, I'm wishing them all a happy Women's Day.
Hi, I'm Smita Adarsh, Vice President of Picosoft Software Labs. I want to just share a brief about my career and my journey. And when I joined my first company, I joined as a fresh college pass out and I was nothing. There I became something. And by the time I became something, I had to quit my job to take care of my child. Getting back to career was difficult for me then. And I had my second child, and getting back to career became nearly impossible for me. I should thank God. With God's grace, I happened to meet Suresh Shekhar, CEO of Picosoft. He gave me an opportunity to do a comeback. When I joined Picosoft, I was something, and in these over 5+ years at Picosoft, I have become everything. Picosoft has given everything to me. At every stage of my journey with Picosoft, I have been given with new opportunity to demonstrate my potential. Picosoft has given me position, dignity, and every privilege that I had never dreamt of. If I say I have work-life balance, that is not relevant for me. It's not that in my case. That is for somebody to whom work and family are two different entities and they have a necessity to balance between these two. But in my case, work and family have become are so well aligned with one another. Picosoft understands about my family commitments. At the same time, my family, my husband, children, parents-in-law and mother, they understand about my duties towards Picosoft. So just like my family, Picosoft has become part of my life. On this day, Women's Day, I would like to express my gratitude. I would like to thank Picosoft and I want to thank Suresh Shekhar for everything that I have got in my career. Happy Women's Day to all.
Hi everyone. First of all, happy Women's Day to all the Wonder Women in this world. And I'm really very proud to be a woman. And I'm very happy to say this because of giving more opportunities for women. And I'm not saying this just for sake of speech. Wait, I will show you. She is Mrs. Bharati. She is one of the directors of the Picosoft. And she is Mrs. Smita. She is the Vice President of the Picosoft. She is Pavitra and she is the testing lead of the Picosoft. And she is Mrs. Deepa. She is the HR of the Picosoft. And finally, it's me. I am the business unit heads of the Picosoft. So, because of giving more opportunities to women, they are not just saying it, they proven it. And in all the domain, women are proving themselves. So, women also can do all the things. Happy Women's Day to all the women. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shiny. I'm a Node.js backend developer at Picosoft. In this special day, I'm gonna tell you something very special which I always used to follow in my life. I always follows 4G. Questions may arise in your mind like, is she telling about the internet network? No, I'm not telling about the internet network. As a woman, everyone must follow these 4 things to get success in their life. The first one is God. Always seek God for help. And the second one is goal. As an independent woman, you have to set long-term or short-term goals as your wish. And the third thing is growing. Be open to learn something new, develop your skills. And last but not least, if you follow these 3 things in your life, you'll be definitely glowing just like me. Anyway, wishing you a very happy Women's Day.
Hi everyone, this is me Kalai. So really happy to share this happy Women's Day to all.
I'm proud of people and myself for being part of the Picosoft. I feel that I have never felt the dull moment in this company since I have joined. I truly believe and wish that we can continue to grow together and cherish ourselves with whatever we have at present. Today comes to the World's Women's Day. Every woman are the real architect of this society. Each and every woman should be given an equal opportunities to showcase their talents. In this way, I have to thank the because of giving the equal opportunities for men and women. Thank you, sir.
Hi, myself Preeti Govardhan, working as a software developer in PickleSoft. The main plus point which I saw in our Pickle family is the way of treating a women with respect and equality, as well as I feel free to give some new ideas while discussion. Where there is a woman, there is a magic. So feel proud to be a woman. So happy Women's Day to all incredible women. Shine on, not just today, but every day. Thank you.
Doing the training in Picosoft Software Labs. It's such a good company and the best place for freshers and also experienced candidates. Our seniors are friendly. Picosoft is one of the fast growth company. Our professionals are ready to take up any task that creates challenges within. Okay, happy Women's Day to all incredible women. Shine on not just today but on every day. Thank you.
Hi everyone, this is Nandini. My hearty Women's Day wishes to all.
Hi, I'm Suganya. I'm in testing field. I'm a junior tester. I'm very proud of that one of the person in this Microsoft. I'm very feel comfortable and convenient to work in this company.
I am Pavitra, working in a Picosoft company. இங்கே வந்துட்டு நான் பேக் எண்ட் டெவலப்பராக ஒர்க் பண்ணுறேன். ஒரு 3 மந்த்ஸாக ஒர்க் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கேன். இங்கே வந்த பிறகு தான் நான் நிறைய நாலேஜ் கெயின் பண்ணேன். டு பி ஃபீல் ப்ரவுட் ஆஸ் எ உமன் டு ஒர்க்கிங் இன் சாஃப்ட்வேர் கம்பெனி. இந்த கம்பெனி ஃப்ரெஷர்ஸ்க்கு நிறைய ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்காங்க. இது என்னமாரி உமன்ஸ்க்கெலாம் நிறைய கற்றுக்கிறதுக்கு இங்கே நிறைய ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் தராங்க. என்னால் முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் இங்கே நிறைய நாலேஜ் கற்றுக்கிட்டு என்னோடய எஃபெக்டை பெஸ்ட்டாக கொடுப்பேன். என்னமாரி இருக்க உமன்ஸ் எல்லாருக்கும் ஹாப்பி உமன்ஸ் டே.
ஹாய், ஐ மதுமிதா. இங்கே 6 மந்த்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடி தான் நான் ட்ரைனிங் ஜாயின் பண்ணேன். இப்போ பிஹெச்பி டெவலப்பராக இருக்கேன். இந்த பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் கம்பெனியில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறது வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப ப்ரௌடாக இருக்குது. சேஃப் அண்ட் செக்யூராகவும் இருக்குது. இங்கே ஒர்க் பண்ணுற ட்ரைனர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே வந்து ரொம்ப ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியாக அப்ரோச் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் கம்ஃபர்டபுளாக இருக்குது. ஹாப்பி விமென்ஸ் டே டு ஆல் லவ்லி விமென்ஸ்.
Hi, I am Yuvasri. I am working here as a back-end developer. This company was very comfort and wonderful place to gain knowledge. Feeling proud to be working here. இங்கே ஒர்க் பண்ணுற சீனியர்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியாக இருக்காங்க. கோஆர்டினேட் பண்ணி ஒர்க் பண்ண ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்குது. நான் 3 months பிஃபோர் இங்கே வந்து ஃப்ரெஷராக ஜாயின் பண்ணேன். இப்போ Node.js டெவலப்பராக இருக்கேன். எனக்கு இங்கே ஒர்க் பண்ண ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. ஆஸ் அ உமனாக இங்கே ஒர்க் பண்ண ஃபீலிங் செக்யூர் அண்ட் சேஃபாக இருக்குது. ஹாப்பி உமன்ஸ் டே டு ஆல்.
At last, I would like to wish all women out there a very happy Women's Day.